Welcome to the KSS video tutorials. My name is Josef Hirschbeck. In this video I will give you an introduction to the KSS software. After logging in, you will see the main menu with the links to the three main application modules, which are parameter selection map, simulation and database. Take a look at the parameter selection map module, which will allow you to do a rough screening of eta values for the main process conditions. You can provide here the material, the nozzle, the gas, and whether you want to consider the particle size effect or not. The fixed values you define here for gas temperature, pressure and particle diameter are used to calculate the values shown in the top right. And the values in the range area are used to calculate the diagram axis. And the plot selection here will allow you to select the plots you're interested in. Basically, there are 2D plots which show one variable in dependency of one input, and contour plots that show a variable in dependency of two input parameters. The parameter selection map allows you to do a rough and quick screening of eta values. The simulation module will allow you to do a more precise calculation. There are a lot more input values you can specify on the left-hand side of the screen, and there is a more detailed output to the right-hand side of the screen. The values calculated here are used in the kinematics and the costs submodule to do, for one part, a calculation of the deposition efficiency, the total coating thickness, for example, or the gun travel speed. And one main output is the time you will need for a single part in production. Production time, in turn, is used in the costs module to calculate the variable costs for your spraying production, for continuous operation, production operation in euro per hour and in euro per part. To the left you will find a lot of input parameters you can specify, ranging from material costs, operational time, maintenance costs, wear costs, fixed costs. So this is pretty exhaustive, and to the right there's a table with detailed values for the different cost aspects, and a diagram that will display the distinct values when you hover certain elements, as you can see here. The comparison contains information from calculations you have added in the gas and particle module. Let's go there. There's a button Add to Comparison, and when you have done your calculation you can click it. It will be added, and then you can take a look at the main output parameters side by side. Take a look at the database module. All the values you specified during the calculation in the PSM and the simulation modules are saved here, and you can take a look at the detailed values for facilities, nozzles, gas, materials, and derive from the materials the powder data. If you would like to, you can even specify new powders. You will get a diagram that will describe the main parameters you can specify. This was a short introduction to the KSS software package. There will be more detailed videos later, and there is a demo version online where you can register and try the application on your own. Thank you for watching.